Hey there, and welcome back to SlideUpLift. Today, we're diving into SWOT analysis with a collection of awesome presentation templates. For beginners, SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Think of it as your roadmap to success. It helps you figure out what you're good at, where you could improve, and what exciting possibilities and challenges lie ahead. Let's get started. Product SWOT templates. Launching a product or refining an old one. These templates make it easy to pinpoint strengths and weaknesses while spotting market opportunities. Business SWOT templates. Big decisions need clarity. Our business SWOT templates help you strategize smarter, tackle challenges, and steer toward success. Project SWOT templates. Is team misalignment slowing you down? Analyze strengths, address gaps, and streamline collaboration with these templates. HR SWOT templates. These specialized templates are designed to help you analyze workforce strengths, address weaknesses, and strategize on building a powerhouse team. SWOT Action Plan templates. Got insights but no plan? Transform ideas into action with our SWOT Action Plan templates, because strategy is nothing without execution. Matrix designs. For those who love structure and precision, our matrix-style SWOT templates are a perfect fit. They lay out your analysis in a clean grid format, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. Personal SWOT templates. Planning your next big move. Use personal SWOT templates to understand yourself better and achieve your goals. Modern designs. Make your presentations look as sharp as your strategy. Modern SWOT templates combine style with functionality for professional results. Check out our entire range through the link in the description. And don't forget to use the code SLIDE 10% off. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for PPT templates.